Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable auto answer calls on Apple Watch 9. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and press the digital crown once to exit the watch face. Locate and click on the settings on the app menu. Scroll down the settings page and then select accessibility. Once you selected accessibility, scroll down the accessibility page, just keep scrolling until you get to auto answer calls. Click on it. Now to enable auto answer calls, toggle this on and then increase the time you want to let your Apple Watch to ring before it answers, or reduce the time. So I want this to ring for, let's say, 8 seconds. Now set this to 8 seconds, and when next you have an incoming call on your Apple Watch connected to your iPhone and it rings, it's only going to ring for 8 seconds. And after 8 seconds, your Apple Watch is going to pick up the call automatically. So that's exactly how to enable auto answer calls on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.